talking about top contributing industries to South Africa's GDP in 2025. First, finance, insurance, real estate, and business services contribution approximately 28 to 24% of GDP based on Q1 2025 data from Stats SA. This sector is the largest contributor, driven by financial institutions, insurance, and business services like consulting and IT. South Africa's advanced banking system, centered in Johannesburg, and its role as a hub for offshoring, bolstered this sector. The African Continental Free Trade Area (AfCFTA) and BRICS initiatives like BRICS Pay enhance financial service growth. Key trends: growth in digital banking and fintech. Though consumer confidence minus 20 points in Q1 2025, and proposed VAT hikes 15% to 15.5 pose a risk. The sector benefits from South Africa's G20 presidency and EU's Africa Club for financial integration. The second one is mining and quarrying. Contribution approximately 8 to 10% of GDP, Stats SA Q1 2025. Overview: mining remains a cornerstone, South Africa being a global leader in platinum, 90% of the world's gold reserve. So we are the leaders in platinum. Gold, diamonds, and coal. Despite a 7.7 contraction in Q1 2025 due to weak global demand, mining exports are critical, especially to non-Greeks markets like the US and Germany. The key trend is the US tariffs 30% on export and potential AGOA loss threatening the sector. Reforms under Operation Vulindlela aim to improve logistics to boost export. Renewable energy investment are reducing reliance on coal. Manufacturing. Third one. Contribution approximately 13 to 15% of GDP, Stats SA 2024 to 2025. Overview: manufacturing includes automotive, e.g. Volkswagen, Mercedes-Benz, chemicals, food, and beverages and metals. The automotive sector, concentrated in regions like the Eastern Cape, is a major export driver, but it faces a risk from AGOA uncertainties and US tariffs. Manufacturing contracted in Q1 2025 due to logistic bottlenecks and high input cost. Key trends: investment in green manufacturing, e.g. electric vehicles, and AfCFTA-driven intra-African trade offer growth potential. The sector benefits from no load shedding since March 2024. The water supplies. Outdated disaster. The water supplies persist. Number 4, trading, catering, and accommodation, wholesale, retail, and tourism. Contribution approximately 15% of GDP. Stats SA Q1 2025. The sector encompasses wholesale and retail trade, hotels, and tourism. Tourism, a key growth area, leverages South Africa's natural attraction, e.g. Kruger National Park, and cultural heritage. Retail is supported by households spending 60% of GDP, though weakened by lower consumer confidence. The key trends: tourism is recovering post-COVID, with BRICS and AU initiatives promoting intra-African travel. However, climate shocks and high unemployment limit retail growth. Number 5, agriculture, forestry, and fishing. Contribution approximately 3.4% of GDP, Stats SA Q1 2025. Agriculture saw a 15.8 growth in Q1 2025, recovering from 2024 droughts driven by maize and livestock export. South Africa is a net food exporter, with the Eastern contributing significantly to citrus and wool. The AU CAADP strategy 2026 to 2035 aims to triple intra-African agri-food trade. Key trends: climate change and global trade risk threaten export. Investment in sustainable agriculture and irrigation infrastructure are critical. Government services contribution approximately 15 to 17% of the GDP. Public sector spending on education, health, and administration is a major GDP driver. However, fiscal constraints 75.5 debt to GDP ratio and narrow tax base 7.9 million taxpayers limit growth. The AU institutional reforms championed by South Africa support public sector efficiency. The Government of National Unity prioritizes fiscal sustainability but welfare demands 24 million recipient trains budget. And here are the informational links. Thank you.